Buddy. Today I'm going to show you what I do to make soil with what's on hand, utilizing in this case cannabis hemp stalks, oyster mushroom mycelium gathered from in the wood from a chipper shred pile that California Mermaid folks have placed around one of our creek restoration projects. Can you get a close-up down here of the white parts in this bag here? There you go. This is oyster mycelium. Oh, and it smells lovely. Several other mushrooms. So we're going to start by demonstrating how to chipper shred by hand. So you basically just strip backwards along the stem. And you can treat it roughly because it's very strong stuff. The best sailcloth, books, and paper and fibers. Now, what we're doing here is strengthening our arms and cutting up this cellulose material into bite-sized chunks for smaller creatures that will eat it up and turn it into soil. Also providing a pathway to the roots of plants for nutrition and information, moisture sharing. So you can do this by hand if you don't have a machine, or you can rip it up, tear it up. But we'll leave that aside and add a bushel of that lovely oyster mycelium, whose mycelium can be seen having colonized in the bottom of this lovely container. Now, for the rest of it, you can use last year's grow for whatever you grew in here. And I don't like perlite, but we're going to allow it in and use it as a part of this experiment. And say thank you. Thank you, perlite. Now, you might be wondering what else we're doing. We're diverting from the so-called waste stream the biodegradable materials that those mushrooms and the soil building bacteria present can make use of. So, by the way, since we're starting with oyster mushrooms, Pleurotus, a native out here captured from the forest in the wood chips, we know it'll eat coffee grounds and use motor oil for breakfast. Now, the part you're seeing here, I highly recommend for several reasons. As they say, get your hands in the dirt of the earth, and you and your immune system get to talk to these living creatures that make soil for us. And in the process of mixing up the materials, you can be a little gratitude in this. You can be thankful. Say thank you for your help in rebuilding and recovering our water and our soil here. So the idea is you want to mix it all up and introduce it to each other. So you've just incorporated soil building organisms, mushrooms that are growing in chipper shred, some of the mushroom's favorite food. And I'm going to add a handful of my own for a good blessing and mix that in. Don't worry about how rough it is, actually. Just try to get it as uniformly mixed up from top to bottom as you can, and don't breathe this dust. I know I'm smoking a cigarette. What do you want?
Shame on you.
No, there is no shame. Sin, death, or guilt. Anyway, so there you have it. And what we're going to do now is select a subject for our experiment. In this case, how about this lovely fuchsia that has been a little root bound and finally showed the flowers to grow back. So, we're going to dive in here. Let some of that from there fall into the pot it's going into. If you're careful, you can do this dry. You don't want to tear up that root mass and disrupt it because it's quite a living process. Well, of course, you can all get to the next point, which is water and well. And I predict that within 4 to 6 weeks, we're going to see mushrooms popping out of this basket at the bottom, and that the plant will be exceedingly luscious. Stay tuned.